When I first started investing, I used to think investing was mainly about one thing: buy low, sell high. That's not wrong. But in real life, it is not always that simple. When the price goes up, you start thinking, should I sell now? When the price goes down, you start thinking, should I sell before it drops more? And before you know it, investing becomes emotional. You are guessing and reacting. You are trying to make the right decision at the right time. And honestly, I don't think I'm very good at that. That is one reason why I like dividend investing. Dividend investing gives me another way to see investing. Instead of only asking, how much can I sell this for? I can also ask, how much income can this investment pay me over time? That small change makes investing feel easier for me to understand. So, what is dividend investing? In simple words, dividend investing means buying stocks, ETFs, or REITs that pay dividends. A dividend is money paid to investors. If a company earns money, it may choose to share part of that profit with shareholders. ETFs and REITs can also pay income from the assets they hold. Of course, dividends are not guaranteed. They can go up, they can go down, they can even stop giving out dividends. But the idea is simple. You hold the investment, and if it pays dividends, you receive income. For me, this is what makes dividend investing interesting. I don't always need to sell my investment to get some cash back. If I own a dividend paying ETF and it pays dividends, I receive cash. Then I can decide what to do with it. I can reinvest it. I can invest into another stock, ETF, or RAT, or I can keep it as cash and use it. That flexibility is something I really like because it gives me choices without forcing me to sell. And this matters because selling is not always easy. When I sell, I need to decide, is this the right time? Am I selling too early? Am I selling too late? With dividends, I still need to make good investing decisions, but I don't need to make a buy or sell decision every time I want some extra cash from my investment. The dividend comes in if the investment pays it, and that makes the process feel a bit calmer. For a lazy investor, that is helpful. Dividend investing helps me focus on something more steady: cash flow, income, time, progress. It also helps me think long term. When I buy a dividend paying investment, I am not only thinking about whether the price will go up next week. I'm thinking, can this investment continue to pay income over time? Is it good? Is the dividend reasonable? Am I comfortable holding this for many years? That kind of thinking suits me more. It is slower, less exciting, but better for mental health. Now, this does not mean dividend investing is perfect. The stock price can go down, the dividend can be reduced, a high dividend yield can sometimes be a warning sign. We need to ask why. So, dividend investing is simple, but it does not mean we should be careless. Instead of trying to pick many individual stocks, I like using ETFs more. ETFs help spread my risk so I don't depend too much on one company. And that fits my lazy investing style better. Dividend investing don't make you the smartest investor in the room. It helps you to create a simple system you can follow for a long time. Buy good income producing assets, reinvest the dividends, add money consistently, and let time do the hard work. That is why I think many people may like dividend investing too. Not because it is exciting, but because you can see the income, you can track the progress, you can slowly build something over time. And for beginners, I think that is powerful because when investing feels too complicated, many people don't start, or they start then stop. But when investing feels simple, you are more likely to continue. And in investing, continuing is often more important than being clever. So if you are new to investing, dividend investing may be worth learning, not because it is perfect, but because it can help you see investing in a more practical way. You are not only chasing price gains, you are building cash flow. You are giving yourself more options. And slowly, dividend by dividend, investing may start to feel less stressful. For me, that is the beauty of dividend investing. It is not loud, not fast, not exciting every day, but it makes sense. And sometimes the thing that makes sense is the thing you can actually stick with. If you also like the idea of building income the lazy way, write dividend in the comments. I'll create more contents on this topic so you can follow along as you build your own passive income, one dividend at a time.